Okay. The 44th president.
Okay.
The first one. Okay. Who's the first president?
George Washington.
Number 2.
John Adams.
Okay. Number 3. Number 3.
Thomas Jefferson.
Number 4.
James Madison.
Number 5.
James Monroe.
You wait. Number 6.
John Quincy Adams.
Number 7.
Andrew Jackson.
Number 8.
Martin Van Buren.
Number 9.
William Henry Harrison.
Number 10.
John Tyler.
11. Number 11.
James K. Polk.
Number 12.
Sadri Taylor.
Number
Willard
13.
Fillmore,
Number
Franklin
14.
Pierce, James Buchanan.
Number 16.
Abraham Lincoln.
17.
Andrew Johnson.
Number 18.
Ulysses S. Grant.
Number 19.
Luther Ford B. Hayes.
20.
James A. Garfield.
Number 21. Number 21.
21 is, I think 21 is, I know it's 20. 21 is Theodore Roosevelt.
No, the one with the name of Pop. 21.
Is Chester A. Arthur.
Yeah, number 22.
Is Grover Cleveland.
Number 23.
Is 23 is 23 is, I know 23. Let's see. Benjamin Harrison.
24.
Grover Cleveland.
Number 25.
Is William McKinley.
Number 26.
Is 26 is Theodore Roosevelt.
Yeah, Theodore Roosevelt. 27.
William Howard Taft.
Okay. 28.
Is Woodrow Wilson.
Okay.
Is
29.
Warren G. Harding. Then
30.
Calvin Coolidge.
Number 31.
I know it. I'll say it. Bert.
Yeah, her.
Bert
Yeah.
Herbert Hoover.
Okay. Number 32.
Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Okay. Number 33.
Harry S. Truman.
Harry S.
Harry S. Truman.
Okay. 34. 34.
Dwight Eisenhower.
Number 35.
Is John F. Kennedy.
Number 36.
Is Lyndon B. Johnson.
Number 37.
Is Richard Nixon.
Number
And then
38.
John. I
Yeah.
know it.
Yeah.
Gerard Ford B. Hayes.
No.
Gerard Ford.
Okay. 39.
Jimmy Carter, and then
Number 40 is.
Ronald Reagan.
Number 41.
Is George
Uh-huh.
H.W. Bush.
Okay.
Bill Clinton.
Number 32. 42 is Bill Clinton is. And 43 is.
Is George A.W. Bush.
Okay.
And
Number the
Barack
last.
Obama.
Number 44 is.
Is
Yeah.
Barack Obama.
Okay. Very good. Yay.